Scorpio Trade is a neural network-based bot that earned more than $10,000 in the last week, and I'm sharing it with you for free. The process of getting a robot will take only a few minutes. Go to the bot from the video description and launch it. Scorpio will send you a link to register for the Pocket Option. Click on it and create a new account. After verification, use a promo code to top up your balance, which will give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. This was the last step towards getting the best trading assistant for Pocket Option. Now, we can start. Here is the last update in this month. We've made everything to make our customers excited with our trading bot. Today we have added the reviews section that will be updated periodically, and you can check it anytime you want. We've also improved our visual setup to make it easier for you to read the market statistics, and of course we've improved our signals to be more confident and even more profitable. Now, let's move on to the OTC market.